to California. So today we'll try to harvest my potatoes. These are actually uh, came from my Frigidaire, and when I discovered it, it was they have already some leaves. You know, they're not. You can call it kitchen scraps. Oh, look at this. You see that? So this is my kitchen uh, scrap. Oh, look. So when I have some extra, oh, this is big, uh, onions like this one. The onions I cut it. I cut the under, and then just. Wow! Oh wow! Look at this! Look at this! It's big! I didn't even know that they have roots already. So I have some, I've got some sweet potatoes in my basket. So maybe I'm gonna put them here. These are babies actually. Oh. I think I threw this here last January or December. I'm not sure. No, I'm not sure anymore. Because I didn't even know that I would harvest this much. And this is what do you call this? Cabbage. When I cook the cabbage, I leave the one under, the other one on the bottom. So I just put them here. Okay, let's see this one. You would know when, you would know the potatoes are almost ready when the leaves are withered, or they have turned brown. Look at that. Look at that. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look. And these are onions. This one has a lot. I have one big bucket over there with lots of potatoes, because I just discovered there's one plastic of potatoes that has already sprouted. So I just put them there. Oh wow, these are big sizes, huh? And look at the baby potatoes. I didn't expect to harvest this much. There's a proper way to plant the potatoes. As they grow bigger, the plant, then you have to add some more soil. There's more potatoes. Oh, just have to be careful because you don't want to hurt the skin. Oh, oh wow, look at that. There's one. Oh, look at that. There's one here. Let me see. Let's see. Oops, there's more. Your soil or your dirt should be very sandy, or so they could expand well. Oh, this is big too. Oh, I scratch it. Really. Wow. And there's one here. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's one here too. OMG. This is getting interesting. And my back is hurting already. So, let me see if I still can get from here. Oh, there's more here. So, if you happen to have those potatoes that have sprouted already, don't throw them. Now you know you can have more potatoes out of them. Others, they cut the potatoes into the depending on how many sprouts they get, but I just buried them, the whole potatoes. So I might bury my sweet potato here, kamote. Kamote naman. But I'll add some more. Look at that. This I think is the violet, the dark purple potato. It's not yet right though. So let's just see if it'll grow more. Anyway, so next I'll do the sweet potatoes after this. But look at my harvest. Okay, so I'll just get the plastic and get this out from here, the dirt. Okay. Guys, these are my newly harvested potatoes in my garden from my kitchen scraps. See? Look at that. And look at this. I was so surprised to see this too. And these are the newly planted potatoes that I was saying. These are like one bag of, I think it's 1 pound. So I just put them there, and then I just add dirt as they grow big. See, so this actually they started as half of the barrel, and so I just keep on adding some more dirt as they grow bigger. So with this, I think I'm gonna add some more dirt in here. But these are, I think, 1 pound. I just put them there. I didn't cut it, or I just put everything in there. Okay, so look how healthy they are. So thank you guys for watching another video. Look at this. Aren't they pretty? This one has green, and they say if this is the if your potato has green thing in it, it's kind of dangerous, so I might dispose this. I don't know the scientific explanation for that, but yeah, you can sacrifice one potato or two maybe. So there you have it. Thank you, and God bless everyone.